Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have an unboxing for you today. It is a Diamond Dotz. I got this one from dotsdirect.com.au. So this one here, hopefully I can fit it in the camera. So this one here is Winter Wolves. It is an intermediate and it is a partial. So Diamond Dotz, they come in these lovely boxes. They're really sturdy actually. Diamond Dotz on your front, and on the side you've got here it shows you your diamond area, so you can tell it is a partial, and it's got 19 colors. And on the other side it tells you your design area. So your design size is 51 by 66 centimeters and your fabric size is 59 by 74, so it's a really nice size. And I love these boxes too because it shows you what the actual product looks like with the drills on it, and I love that because you can see what you're getting before you buy it. So anyway, we'll get into this now. They're sealed, but I've just pre-cut those so I can get into them. Shake her out. Right, so you've got one canvas and a pack of drills. Right, so I'll put the drills over here. Okay, so your canvas comes in a plastic cover to keep it free from moisture and dust. And before I show you what it looks like, let me just get the little instruction tag thingy out. Wow, it is big. Okay, there we go. So in your Diamond Dotz kits, you will get an instruction sheet that is in color, and it has pictures, and it has it in all different languages. But we want to see this. I have to roll it back. Whoops, she's upside down. So on your Diamond Dotz canvases, it tells you the name of your design and your design size and your fabric size down the bottom. And we will unwrap that. Oh, that's looking really cool. Oh wow, it is big. Gosh. Wow. Oh, I love that. Alright, I'm going to roll it back onto itself so it will sit a bit flatter. So you can do this with poured glue. Hang on, I'll do the other side. Okay. Had a bit of trouble wrangling it. So you can do this with poured glue canvases. You cannot do it with double-sided adhesive. That's a lot better, so I'll have to put it on its side. Sorry about that, but my tripod is not tall enough. Wow. Wow. You know, I love that background. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Wow. That is so pretty. Gee, I love that. So I'll zoom you in so we can have a closer look at that drill field. And that's looking awesome as usual. I love Diamond Dotz. I say it all the time. They're my favorite diamond painting company because I just find that the quality is really good. Your drills are beautiful. Your canvas is really good to work on. The glue is fantastic. And your drill field is nice and clear. And I just love how they do the backgrounds. You know, on those partials, they're just so pretty. So we'll come up here. Sorry. And I'll just bring you over to the symbol key. Where is it? There it is. So there's your symbol key. So you can see those symbols are super easy and clear to see. No trouble at all. I'll just get you back on the table. Yeah, no problem at all reading those symbols. I just love their eyes. Beautiful. And there's some of those flowers. So that's looking beautiful. Really, really happy with that. So I will zoom you back out again. Gorgeous. And I will do a sticky test. Yep, super sticky. So as soon as I get any diamond painting kit, the first thing I do is open it up and have a look, because I want to check the canvas and make sure that there's nothing caught underneath the dust cover, or make sure there's no problems with the canvas. It can happen with anybody, so I always check that out first, and that's looking pretty good to me. And when I'm done with this off camera, I will actually peel this clear cover off, and I will put it back on again, and I'll smooth it all out so that it gives that canvas a bit of a chance to relax and sit a bit flatter. Anyway, let's have a look at these drills. So I'm just going to roll them up, pop them over here. Drills. Right, so you've got their sticker. It has the number of the product and winter wolves. I cannot get into it. Here we go. There's your drills there. So you've got some interesting colors. You've got some ABs as well. Woohoo! Right, you got your drills. And you've got your standard toolkit. So this has a single placer diamond painting pen. You've got your squishy comfort grip, and you've got your tray. Your wax comes in a really nice, I love these waxes. I use them. They're all I use actually are the Diamond Dotz wax. They last forever pretty much. And they're in a screw top container, so it keeps your wax from drying out. And it's handy and portable, etc., etc. And you also get some Ziploc bags in your toolkit. Over there. Let's have a look at these drills. Get them over there. Staying organized. Okay, so we've got some grays, some browns, yellowy browns, green, yellow, gray, cream, dark gray, some blacks, and some more gray, lots of grays. So you're going to have some really nice shading in there. A little bit of blue, some yellow and some gray. And last but not least, you've got that really lovely cream color, and then you've got some white AB. So you've got your AB coating on these ones, so it gives them extra sparkle. And there's 2 packs of those, so that's pretty cool. So one thing I've found with Diamond Dotz drills, I absolutely love them. The facets that they have cut on these drills, they just really sparkle and shine, and they just look absolutely beautiful. They're nice and uniform, and they're really great to work with. So I love these. So there you go. There are my winter wolves. Quite large. Those can be just super gorgeous, especially with those ABs. That is just going to sparkle like there's no tomorrow. So with this one, I am going to work on it immediately. So I will be kitting up those drills, and I will be doing a works in progress on this, plus a review at the end and let you know what I think of it. So stick with me, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. Didn't this absolutely turn out fantastic? This is just so sparkly. The camera just doesn't do it justice. It's like bedazzling how shiny it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love how this turned out. I love everything about it. I mean, I knew this was going to turn out nice, but wow, in person, it's stunning. I absolutely love this. As far as the drills and the glue and the canvas and everything, I had absolutely no problems whatsoever doing this one. I had plenty of drills left over, and it was just, it's the size of it, it's quite big, so I can't get all of it in the shot, but I just absolutely love this. Just the shading with fur and that sort of thing, that can be quite tricky when you're doing pixelation, that sort of stuff, but I think they did an absolutely brilliant job in doing how that fur sort of goes that way, the shading with it, the depth. You've got your 3D happening there, and I'm blown away. I absolutely love this. So I'll zoom you in so you can have a bit of a closer look. So in we go. So there's a lot of white, a lot of grey. Oh, there you can see some of that shine. It's so glittery. It's wow. But you can see some of that shading in there, like underneath his neck and his chin, his nose. I love how the fur is done. I think it's absolutely brilliantly done. The colors, look, it's a lot of white, it's a lot of grey. But even the effect with the eyes, I think, is really well done. You've got such a small area to get that sort of definition in their eyes, and I think they've just done an absolutely brilliant job. Just beautiful. And then you've got the balance here of the flowers in the background. There's, you've got your yellows and your sort of mustard colors, which really makes them pop. Actually comes off the canvas, again with that 3D look. And one thing I'm super impressed with is, look at that background. I just love the background. Really, really beautiful how they've done this. So we'll go on down to the bottom. And you've got like that dark area there. Sort of sets it back in so you can definitely see that wolf is behind the other one. It's just so well done. I'm super duper impressed. Just beautiful. Alright, so I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. Yeah, just look at that background. Oh, yoy, it's just gorgeous. Oh, I love this so much. So we'll flip her over and have a look at the leftover drills. So I've kitted them up using these guys, but there was like lots and lots and lots and lots of drills left over. So you've got sort of these ones here. You didn't use these colors very much. Like the green was in the eyes, the blue was in the eyes. So because there wasn't a lot of color in there, I just worked straight out of the jar. I just found it was a bit easier. But look, there was ample left over. A little bit left over. This one, that was full. We had some serious static going on with these drills. But that's not surprising. So there's quite a few left over on that lot. And then you've got your larger containers of your main colors. So there's quite a few. So there's 2 packets of the AB, the white AB, and that's all that I had left. So that's why it sparkles so much. Yeah, so there's quite a bit left over. There you go. There's some beautiful static there for you. And that one too. So no trouble at all. Very typical of Diamond Dotz. Drills were brilliant. I don't even have any reject drills to show you because there was hardly any, so I didn't even bother keeping them. So I'll flip them back over again. So there are my winter wolves. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to frame this or not. It's just big. It's, what is it? It's the design size is 51 by 66. I just don't have anywhere to put it, but I'm sure that I can find somewhere to put it. So it will probably be a while before I actually frame this. So I won't be showing you a photo of it finished off at the end of this video because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to tackle that yet. So, but anyway, there you go. My winter wolves. Oh my goodness gracious me. It is just bedazzling. It's so darn shiny. And it glitters. So when you walk around the room and you look at it, it just sparkles and glitters all over the place. It's stunning. So, winter wolves. I love, love, love this. So darn happy with this. Wow. Like I said, not sure what I'm going to do with it, but wow, it's just gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.